Hello students, welcome again to a new shot, and I hope you are doing good and your studies are going really very well. Okay, so students, I please maintain your calm, please maintain your peace, and please stay tuned to all the session. So in this particular shot, I'm going to discuss about the famous elegies that were written in British literature or British English, and you should remember them because ये आपके बार बार questions में आती हैं. तो आपको इसको बिल्कुल याद रखना है कि कौन सी एलिजी किसने लिखी है और किसके लिए लिखी है. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट एलिजी दैट कम्स इनटू द सीक्वेंस इज मिल्टन्स लिसिडस. यस, जॉन मिल्टन हैज रिटन अ वर्क लिसिडस एंड इट हैज बीन डेडिकेटेड टू हिज फ्रेंड एडवर्ड किंग. ठीक है, द नेक्स्ट दैट कम्स इन लाइन इज शेलीज एडोनियास. सो यस, पीबी शेले हैज रिटन द वर्क एडोनाइस व्हिच हैज बीन डेडिकेटेड टू जॉन कीट्स. And Alfred Lord Tennyson has also written a work in memoriam, which is again an elegy, which is written for lamenting the death of his friend Arthur Hallam. Okay, so Arthur Hallam के लिए ये elegy लिखी गई थी. And the last, which is in the series, is Matthew Arnold. Okay, so Matthew Arnold has written a work Theresis, which has been considered as an elegy or a lamentation written for the death of his friend Claude. So Cloughh is the name of the friend Claude, which is for which Theresis by Matthew Arnold has been written. Okay, I hope this short was very much useful for you, and you will remember the important elegies with their writers and for whom they have been written. Okay, so till then, take care and goodbye.